Hey, you guys, it's Glenn. I just want to give you some directions for this first kind of assignment. We went over most of the stuff in class today, but all you have to do is just go through the handout that is provided for you, um, and try to find these anatomical, skeletal, and muscular landmarks on the handout of the skeleton that I gave you. I've also downloaded or gave you some material that you can use, some videos from YouTube that can help you find these anatomical landmarks. But again, remember one thing: this is not an anatomy class, it's a sports massage class. So if you have any issues at all, please contact me and I can help you through it. All right? Take care, and we'll see you next week.